Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to do the sound difference between a Chamberlain and Stanley garage door openers. They're both chain driven, and after this clip we're going to move on to the Liftmaster. Okay, so here I'll demonstrate the Chamberlain. And now the Stanley. Okay guys, so there's a sound difference between this one and this one. This one's a little bit louder. This one's a bit quiet, but not like the Chamberlain belt driven. Those ones are very quiet. So this one, alright, so this one's the quietest, like the second quietest we got. This one's like the second loudest we got from the Genie Pro screw drive. Alright, so here I'll go and close the Chamberlain. And now the Stanley. Okay, so that's it for these two openers. Now we're going to move on to the Liftmaster. See you there. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, this one is the Liftmaster. Like I mentioned, I'm going to do this one in the last clip. Okay, so here it is. Alright guys, so that's it for this video, and you guys can comment whatever you want. You guys can comment which one would you pick. Would you pick the Stanley, Chamberlain, or Liftmaster? You guys can pick one of those, and hope you guys enjoy this video, and have a great afternoon, everybody. See you later.